Okay, guys, so a customer came in early today, and he traveled an hour to get here. And he says, "Man, I need your help. I need you to fix this machine for me." I said, "Well, I'm gonna have to order the part. You may have to come back again." He said, "I don't have time to come back, man. Can you just do me this solid, man? Do you have something?" I said, "Man, I have a used part. If you're down with a used part, I'll throw the used part in for you, and you can just go out, have something to eat, come back. I'll have it ready for you." Okay? So, just join me on this journey, and let's watch what I can do with this KIrby. All right? Holy cow. Will you look at this? This looks like some serious water damage or mold or something. Take a look at that. Say what you want about these KIrbys, but it can take this kind of damage and still keep ticking. All right, so I'm trying to do something with this tech drive here, but that's what I'm dealing with. Yep, it looked like, I don't know. If you know what it is, let me know, but it looks like water damage. Or it could be mold. Yeah, humidity, humid. Because look at that rust. This doesn't even work anymore. I can't slide it back and forth. I'm gonna have to take this out and lubricate it, sand it, lubricate it, and put it back in there. If I can get the screws out. I should be able to get these screws out. Yeah, I should be able to get those out. But yeah. Yep. All right, so I use a little brush and kind of try to get a little sanding, not sanding, but you know, a little cleaning action. See that? So I'm gonna have to sand this down, okay? And this here, I can still roll it. So I'm gonna lubricate this too. Okay, I'm gonna have to sand on the inside of here. This is so that when the handle moves back and forth, it'll slide, and then that sliding action now activates this, okay, which kind of get that transmission going. But we're still gonna have to pull this out, drop, in other words, drop this down and install one in here, and that should do it. All right, that should do it. Whew. Yeah, let's take this out. Okay, so it's jammed. Oh, I see. It's jammed. This is in the way. Huh. Come on, buddy. Let's get moving. In the way. Here we go. Now, let's see if I can move this out the way now. God, it's rusted. Golly. There we go, I moved it. Should be able to drop. Come on. Ah! Woo-wee! Holy cow. All right. God. Look at this. All right. Okay, I'm gonna lubricate a few of these areas, but really, right now, I just want to get this out the way. I don't have. This is one of those on the spot type deals. I told the guy I didn't have the selector for a dime. This is a diamond. Diamond, I believe it's a diamond. But I said I have a G4 selector right now if you want it. I mean, he's like, I want it right now. I was like, all right, I'll hook you up right now, man. All right, I have a used G4 selector. I didn't want to have to order anything because he's like an hour away. He lives an hour away. So he says, all right, well, I'll take an old one. So I'm just gonna slide this one in here because this will satisfy what he needs right now. But I need to lubricate that. Let me just spray that a little bit. A little spray action here. I'm gonna spray this. This is my favorite lubricator. No sponsor, but this is my favorite lubricator. Ah! All right. Oh, this trash. I gotta get it all cleaned up. I need to get a vacuum. All right. So yeah, man, let's move this out the way. I hate even looking at this right now. Let's move this guy out the way. All this stuff. You know what? Don't I have a little portable vacuum? Shoot. What am I putting myself through this for? Here we go. All right. Fantastic. Okay. Everything else is good. What's good? All right. So we're not done yet. We still got this just to deal with here. Let me go get me some industrial lubricant, sandpaper, and that should take care of that little problem. Let's see. All right. So we get inside here. All right. You know, you can do the outer stuff, but time is of the essence. Say be back in about half hour. So sometimes after equipment reaches a certain age, you're like, I don't care, man. Throw a used part on there. I don't give a crap. Just want it running. All right. Okay. Now we're going to do the same for this. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Not bad. All right. So get some industrial grease here. We're going to put some on this side, like that. This goes here. Look at that. Oh, this goes at the bottom. Okay. This goes on this side. This goes on that side. All right, we got some sliding action going. All right. Okay. Oh. So now I'm going to put this back in here. Let me remove the spaced, the wedge thing. Gosh, hold on. Ugh. Try to hold these together while I take this out. I don't know why I didn't take it out before. All right, let me vacuum it out a little. Okay. All right. Don't normally like to do it like this, but man, look, when you have a guy travel an hour and he's just like, hey man, come on, man, just make it happen. It's like, all right, okay, I'll make it happen. Oh man, you got to be able to perform on the spot in whatever endeavor you're in. That's like those singers, right? Where those guys says, all right, sing, huh? I'm not ready. It's like, dude. You know, you got to be able to give a speech on a fly and you have no, your teleprompter's not working. You're just like, okay, I got to make it work. Make it work. You know your craft. Make it work, man. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. Are they here yet? Don't rush me, man. Don't rush me, man. All right, here we go. Nice. Okay. All right. This goes here. All right, let's put this. And let's put this guy here. All right, let's test it. Sweet. 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 Nice. Okay. All right. So, power switch. All right. All right. Okay. So now we put this little G4 selector in here, because this is what I had on hand for this unit. I need to order some more of these, some more of the Avaliers and Centrias and stuff like that. I gotta order some more. Let me get this. I'm trying to do it so you can see it. All right, so if you notice, I have it on drive because that pushes the selector out of the way. I gotta make sure this guy fits into here properly. All right, my belt is on. This is loose. All right, so now I'm gonna put the screws in. On the fly. All right. I'm also going to add a little lubricant on this. I just noticed that when I was doing this, it was like too hard. I'm not going to take the whole thing apart because it's not. He didn't bring it in for that. But I'm just going to add some of this to this here. Let me see. Okay. I'm just trying to spread it around. Let me see. I'll probably double check, make sure it's in by putting some up top here now. All right, let's try this. This is a height adjuster. It's stuck in the middle somewhere. There's a middle section that is. It's getting there. Nice. All right. Okay. Next up. I'm almost done. Let me see. All right, nothing's broken. Always check for these. Sometimes these will be cracked or they're expanded too much. All right. Okay, got a little cold, so forgive my sniffling. All right. Okay. All right. This guy's a little dirty. Okay, here we go. Everybody's good. Excelente. All right. All right. Like if you're doing like a full service or something, you wipe it down. I could probably still put a little bit of ointment on this thing and kind of give it a little gleam, because but when you're rushing like this, hey. Oh, I know what it is for. Almost, you find a screw and you're like, what the hell? Did I forget one? I'm like, wait a second. There's an extra screw here. No, that was for something else. All right, here we go. All right. Golly, boy, I tell you. All right, so let's put in the. Why did I remove? Why the hell did I remove all this stuff? I was on automatic or something. This only had to do with the fan blade. I don't know what my brain was. I took these off. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm almost there. I got one more screw to put in. The hell did I put that screw? Huh. All right, I don't have to go get it. I have to get one from the back. Give me a second. I gotta get one for the back. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, that's that. Yes, that is that. So where's my splash plate? My splash plate. Okay, it's over here. All right. So, all right, I have to clean this up later. Just gonna walk in here in a second. All right. All right, here you go. Here you go. Make it work. All right. Okay. Get my T15 now. Okay, and just put this in. And I should have one for back here. I'll go find that. But see, the color don't look that different, right? It's all right. As long as it works. Okay, so that's it. But yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm all good. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? You come on in.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
All right. Looking for Speedador?
It's okay.
No? You say it's okay.
It's okay, nomás. Checa. Checando.
Give me a second. All right. Finally finished. All right, that's it. Done. Finito. Let's wrap this up. Oh, man. You know what? There's something back here. I don't know if I can. I don't want to give it back like this. It's missing the little notch. The notch that would hold this. Let me see if I can. Let's see if I have one in the back. Let me see if I have one in the back. Yeah, let's not. You know what I mean? Let's not give it back like that. You know, just that little extra thing. Just that little extra thing. You know what I mean? Okay. All right, so yeah.